moving down the line, projects. So that's an important part of what we are doing. So at the end of the day, the way the working group works is that we are trying to produce a number of specifications and guidelines, and we are discussing about a lot of things, but we need projects to implement what we are doing. And this is why we set up what we call the criteria and principles for projects to be under the purview of the working group. So those 3 projects you saw on the table that were already under our purview is because they are matching this list, which is basically saying that we acknowledge that the projects are self-governed, therefore we cannot force them to do anything they don't want. Otherwise, we will influence them and we will try to make them see the benefits of what we are doing so they can implement it. We will select those that we consider robust, sustainable, and well-engineered enough so that they can implement whatever we are doing. We will not prioritize or make any kings out of the projects that we have under our purview, so we will just influence. We will try to not to reinvent the wheel, which is very important, especially for data spaces. We will promote no single stack. The other way around, we will promote multiple stacks because that's the way we can also prove interoperability. And we will try to also foster or use those projects that are proven to be broadly adopted and using real world stuff. Finally, whatever we do it with the idea of trying to make enterprise grade software. So it is not just about innovation or just about testing. We are trying to put whatever we do in production, let's say. And last but not least, we are here to help the project. So it is not that we will be requesting them to do a lot of things with no benefits for them. We are trying to help them understand what is the best way for them to move forward. And as you can see, we are trying to automatize the way we are making sure that we are doing it right whenever we put some projects under our purview. And you can see there what are the tables we are using to keep track of everything we do with respect to those projects. The first table is for implementation projects, and the second table is for specification projects.